We're getting pretty close to being ready with our first
Okay,
entry.
Josh Schmidt out of Spencer. Restrictions, he calls this one. Ooh. And Tony gets a smoke show. How you doing, Tony? Oh, boy. Watch out, ladies. You know what happens with the smoke.
Just dump it in some diesel oil or something. We can get it.
They call that like a stretch shirt, like the ladies wear them stretch
stressed.
pants.
It would be stressed.
Stressed for Brad Gackey. 261 and 7, 261 and 7 for Brad.
Get ready.
Where you put toilets on top of people's houses. Fred Newman out of Bruce, never done.
Fred Nineman.
Nineman, yep, sorry about that, Fred.
Folks.
He didn't beat the Dodge. 227 and 5 for Fred. 227 and 5 trucks. Oh,
Yeah.
one winner takes
Why
it all.
not?
That'd be kind of interesting.
Why not? Put a bunch of money on it.
Right. Idea for next year. We'll use some of that Cornell Fire Department money. They got all kinds of it. They're up there by Highway 63.
Jeremy Miller. Eliminator's putting a hurt on him.
Yeah. Old Tony's doing his job. 240. I'm over here.
Somebody in the smoke yelling at you down there.
Yeah, I see that Scotty Jones.
Said something about a championship.
Yep.
I think he wants to have a dance-off with you.
There you go.
Blue Zack's on his way, folks. His toxic relationship.
This kid just started pulling this truck this year, I believe it, if my memory serves me correctly, and what? 219 and 5. Water. And what they do is they water inject on these motors to cool them down. Helps them build more power, so. Like I said, that happens up north of 63 here, maybe.
No, I don't think
No?
so.
Here you go, Kyle Lobach out of Owen.
Straight up here. Here we go, Kyle Lobash. Out of Owen, Wisconsin. Not bad for an exhibition run.
Well, no wonder why he's pulling. It's a brand new truck. He don't even have a license plate on it. Still under warranty.
202